Hi, it's time to change the disc pads of my Ford Figo. First, take a jack. Make sure you place the jack here where there's a marking. Make sure you turn the wheel towards you so that it is easy for you to work on the disc calipers. Lift your vehicle until you can spin your wheels freely. Now take out the wheel caps. Now you need a 19 mm socket to open the wheel. This is a 19 mm socket. Make sure you put the wheel nut like this. The conical shape should go inwards. Don't tighten it this way. It's not the right way to tighten it. Okay. Now take out the wheel. Here you can access to your disc calipers. As you can see, it's fully worn out. First take the spring out. Now open the bonnet. Open your brake reservoir cap so that when you lose the calipers, the excess oil will come here. Now take out the dust caps. Now use a 7H7 Allen to open the caliper nuts, retaining nut. After you loosen it, just push the nut outside, so it's easy for you to take the caliper out. This is a floating caliper nut. Same you do it for the lower nut. So in case if you find too rough, make sure you lubricate this with grease so the caliper floats good. If this becomes rough and tight, the caliper won't be able to release out when you unbrake, and that tends to keep wiping on the rotor, and that tends to wear the brake shoes easily. Okay. Disc, as seen, the discs are almost wearing out. It's time to change. This is common. This play is common, so don't panic. Clean the rotor. You may also use brake cleaner. Now you need to push the caliper in. So once after you compress the caliper, make sure you clean everything. So now you can see how much oil is spilled out when we try to compress the caliper. So that's the reason I asked you to open the cap, reservoir cap. So it's now time to replace the new disc pads. This is Bosch disc pad. This is brand new. Make sure you use a file or you use a sandpaper to sand a bit before you install. As this is new, it may have a coating, protective coating. Grease the floating pin. Don't over tight, just do a hand tight. Once after you install your new disc, just rotate to check if it's spinning freely. This sound is normal. This is a free play. This is common, don't panic. It's now time to put back the springs, the retainer spring. After fixing the disc pads, make sure you close your oil cap. Close your bonnet. Now it's time to fix the tire. Make sure you align this to your air inflator. Use a zip tie. Use a zip tie to secure the wheel cap. Put the extra strip into it. Once done, unload your vehicle. And now we are ready to go. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe to my channel and click on the like button. Thank you.
They're creepy and they're kooky, mysterious and spooky. They're all together rookie, the Addams Family. Their house is a museum where people come to see them. They really are a scream, the Addams Family. Deep, sweet.
You see how much it is wearing.
Petite. So get a wish all on, a broomstick
Nothing
you
left,
can
I
crawl
believe.
on. We're gonna
Let's
pay
open
you
this.
all on, the Addams Family. And they're kooky, mysterious and spooky. They're all together rookie, the